Good morning, everyone. Well, I've already come to the barn, as you noticed, turned all the lights on, and I noticed something different. I was well aware that things were coming. I didn't know they were coming this fast. Now, I'm pretty positive that there's another one wandering around somewhere. So, let's keep looking. There it is. No, it's not dead. It's just sleeping. But she raised a red flag to me last night because she looked very uncomfortable. And another sign is bagging up. Like, look at this girl here. See how she's got a nice, looks like a full udder? It never used to look like that. It used to look like that one. So, I know she's gonna be kidding probably this week. Look at that white one back there. Right? Like, she's gonna be kidding. She's gonna be kidding soon too. So it's gonna be a busy week for you guys. Seeing all the babies. Hey mamas? Lots and lots of babies. Two girlies! Now you guys see me clean these pens out. This pen here, row 3, it's been a few days already and it's starting to look a little grungy. You can see it's not really so yellow anymore. So I'm gonna be bedding that pen this morning. I already had to do row 2 yesterday, so that I'm not gonna do it today because it'll be just fine. It can generally, when I bed them, it can wait 2 days. So I gotta bed row 3 this morning. Another thing we do different these days is we're feeding some whole corn. There's a lot of fines in there, but that's because that's from the core of the bin. For those of you who know cash cropping, the fines from the corn, when they dump it in the center of the top of the bin, that's where all the fines stay, in the middle. So then when they draw out of the bin from the middle on the bottom, you get all the fines that come in first. So the fines are not a good thing if you're trying to dry the corn in the bin, because they don't allow much airflow through the corn. But anyways, they just finished combining, they're coring the bin. This is the corn I got. We're feeding the corn to these pregnant mamas here to give them a little bit more energy through their gestation period. The reason why we do that is because as the kids get bigger, their stomachs get smaller. And if we don't have really high quality forage, they're not gonna get the energy that they need from that. Like, they're not gonna be able to put enough of this in them to get the energy to keep their energy level up and to keep the kids growing. So I'm literally giving this little pail, you can see it's not a very big pail, to 90 something goats. And as you can see back here, there's not too many of them that are not up at the bunk right now. That's a good sign. Normally it's not quite that good in the past years, but I'm trying this new. I would never do this on doelings because the corn also makes the kids a little bit bigger, and that makes it harder to push out. But these girls here, these are 3rd, 4th, possibly even 5th lactating goats. So I am not worried about them having too big of kids that they can't push them out.